Arguably, it's the second most important page on your whole website after the checkout page. If the checkout process isn't perfect for them, then you really are wasting your time. However, your homepage, it's many times what you direct people to when they want to get to know more about you. So here are some top tips to make sure that your homepage is perfect. The homepage is the place to establish the overall look of your website, and it must be clean and crisp and get to the point. All the links must be working properly and must be easy to navigate. Make sure it's immediately clear to your audience what it is you're selling. Make sure that the call to action, make sure that if they're on mobile, they can click a button to chat to you or they can click a button to call you. Number 3, make sure that all of the image work is perfect, good quality and crisp and clean. There is no excuse nowadays for not having a website homepage which is crisp, clean and well presented, especially considering that artwork is basically free. Use color theory when choosing the colors which best express what it is you're offering your audience. Google color theory if you don't know what that is. Use contrasting colors when needed. I think sliders and carousels, I think it's better it's plain. Easy to navigate, and you should only include what is essential for the customer to get a clear idea of what it is you offer. Compelling, clear, functional, and follow a logical pattern. Perhaps list some benefits, perhaps some social proof, but don't overload your customer with too much information. Leave that to the about pages, to the category pages. Subscribe for more.